boys and girls, for our second skill of this week for phonics, we are going to learn another combination. We've been talking about digraphs, okay? Digraphs are when two letters make one sound, okay? We talked about digraph CH that goes ch, like in cheese. We talked about digraph SH that goes what? Like in sharp, good. And then we've learned about digraph TH, and TH makes two sounds. TH can go like in thimble, that's the unvoiced, or it can be the voice where you make the vibration. It goes th, like in feather. And do you notice that my tongue goes out for those? So thimble and feather, okay? So those are the digraphs that we've learned so far. We're going to learn a new one today, okay? And it's actually a combination because you kind of hear two sounds. That's why it's called a combination, okay? And we're going to learn about combination WH. If I show you my picture card for combination WH, right up here, what animal do you see? A what? A whale. Okay? A whale, okay? Now, that is my picture cue for combination WH. Now, WH makes the wh sound. Can you go wh? Okay? It's kind of a difficult sound to make because sometimes we just make the wh sound. Sometimes people just say whale. Okay? Even I do that. Okay? But the correct sound of how you're properly supposed to say it is wh. Okay? And a lot of our question words start with combination WH. So when you see WH together, we put an arc underneath it. That way it helps us remember that you go wh. Just like how we underline our digraphs to have a visual reminder, this arc helps us remember that the wh sound is made by WH, okay? And I said we have a lot of WH words, okay, that we need to know. And they're question words. So if I'm going to write them on the board and we're going to say them. And a lot of them we ask when we're reading a story. Does anybody know what this word is? What is this? Who. Who. Here's another one. What's this one? Do we know what this word is? Now, it does look like wat. You are correct. But have you ever heard of the word wat? I haven't either. This is the word what. Can you say what? What day is it? Okay, see, I'm asking you. All right, let's learn this one. WH word. What? N. What is it? When. When is lunch? Okay, here's another one. This one's a hard one. This one's a harder word. Do you want to know what this one is? This is where. Can you say where? Where are we going? Okay. And our last one I'm going to show you. Now the Y does make the Y sound, but this time, that's why, see, this is why we have to know phonics. Sometimes Y can make an I sound. Y. Y. Say why. Why are we doing this? Why are we learning this? Well, we know that WH goes what. And so we have a lot of what questions when we read. Who is a story about? What is a story about? When did the story happen? Where did it happen? And why did they do that? Okay? Now I want you to put your thinking caps on. Okay? Because there is a color word that starts with combination WH. What color word starts with combination WH? Think about it for 3 seconds. What is it? White. Very good. Okay? White also begins with combination WH. Very good. Okay? So, what I'm going to do now is we're going to look at some pictures and we're going to decide if they start with a combination WH. Okay? All right, so let's look and let's go around our wheel. Okay, I'm going to start right here. We learned what this was in science and weather. What is this? A thermometer. Say thermometer. Did you hear the "w" sound in thermometer? No. What digraph, though, starts thermometer? TH. Very good. Now, this right here, do you know what this is? Do you know? What is it? Wheat. Wheat. Say wheat. Wheat is a grain that's used to make things like bread that you eat your sandwiches with, or pasta, like spaghetti. Did you know that? Yeah, pasta can be made from grain, from wheat. So did you hear the "w" sound in wheat? I did too. W. Eat. Okay. What is this? Is this something you use when a gardener uses out in the yard? Does anybody know what this is? It is kind of like a wagon, except a wagon has 4 wheels. This only has 1 wheel, okay? And wheel also starts with combination WH, but this is a wheelbarrow. Can you say wheelbarrow? Okay, that has the "w" sound, okay? Okay. What is this? Spider. Did you hear the "w" sound in spider? No. In fact, spider starts with a blend. What 2-letter S blends does spider begin with? S and what?
P.
S and P. Spider. Oh, we know what this is. What is this? A whale. Did you hear the "w" sound in whale? Yeah, so that would start with a combination WH. Oh, we learned what this was. What is this? A thimble. What digraph does thimble start with? TH. Good. This is a what? When you're hurt? Oh, wheelchair. Did you hear the "w" at the beginning of wheelchair? Yeah, I did too. And our last one, what is this? A whistle. Did you hear the "w" sound in whistle? Yes. So, when you see WH, a lot of times you're going to make the "w" sound. But it's very important you go "w", okay? Do your very best, okay? Now, we know the sound that it makes, and I've written some words, so you might see WH in some books, right? So it's important that we know how to read with our WH. So, I'm going to show you, for example, this is a reader that you guys have this week, and it's called Whale of a Joke. So, it's going to be asking you questions, those WH words, to start off. This is going to ask you kind of a riddle, okay? Kind of a joke. You've got to answer the joke, okay? Now, what you're going to do is, again, circle your words that have combination WH, or highlight them, okay? So I'm going to circle the first one to show you. I see 2 words, actually I see 3 right here, okay? I see the word what, when, and whale, okay? Now, some of these words you might need your parents or whomever is helping you to read with you. So have them read it for you first, okay? Then you can read it a second time, okay? Make sure, good readers, they go from left to right. So, I want you to point to your words. What time is it when a whale sits on a chair? Well, it's kind of asking you a riddle, a joke. What time is it when a whale sits on a chair? Do you want to know what the joke is? What the answer is? It's upside down, so you'll have to flip your reader over. Now, I want you to think about this. Let's look at our picture cues, right? What time is it when a whale sits in a chair? Now, first off, can a whale sit in a chair?
No.
No, that's silly, right? Because a whale's really what? Big. And a chair is what?
Really small.
It's small compared to the whale, right? What's happening to that chair? And you knew that because you saw the leg of the chair breaking, right? So what time is it when a whale sits on a chair? The answer is time to fix the chair. So you're going to go through and you've got all of these different whale jokes, okay? And you're going to find WH words, okay? So again, make sure that you go wha when you see that WH, okay? And we're gonna add combination WH to our sound card bank so we can review that every day for the remainder of the year, okay? Sounds good, guys? Good job.